We have lots of surprises recently and we're excited to share what's new on our life lately. A few weeks ago, umattend kami sa binyag ni Serafina at syempre kasama sila Koichi, Hani and Hani's family. Second binyag na namin ni Yoda this year at talagang nakaka-bless when you get invited na maging ninong. It is a responsibility that we'll make sure to fulfill. Medyo mahaba lang ang binyag early in the morning pero Pinpin was super behave and was very happy as well. After ng binyag, syempre, photoshoot din muna with the family. Sayang naman ang napakagandang white dress ni Serafina, umoutfit din sila Koichi and Hani. Sayang if walang remembrance to capture this wonderful moment. At since nasa bandang North Caloocan kami, it's time na para bumiyahe sa reception. At ang aming next destination, Chili's sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. First time namin ni Yoda makakain dito, kaya looking forward kami to try their delicious meals. While waiting for our order, binigay na namin ang gift namin kay Serafina, a digital drawing pad. Salamat sa Shopee at nakabili kami ng magandang regalo. Dumating din ang isa pang godparent ni Pinpin na nagbigay ng isa pang gift. Kompleto na kami kaya it's time to eat na. Napakasarap ng food dito. May pa-appetizer sila na chicken with fries. Then ako naman umorder ng pasta and grilled pork naman kay Yoda. At syempre, hindi kumpleto ang Chili's experience kung walang dessert at milkshake. It was definitely a perfect celebration for Serafina's binyag, and it's great to see that she also had fun. Makalipas ang ilang araw, nagkita-kita ulit kami to try Cafe Ru. Cafe Ru is located in Malate, just beside Malate Church. At ang nakaka-excite dito, it is a rooftop cafe kaya for sure ay nakaka-relax. Second time na namin ni Yoda dito and when we first came here, it was dinner at punuan talaga. Pero mas magandang pumunta dito ng may araw. Napakaganda ng kulay, maaliwalas at the best dahil hindi siya puno ng tao. Hindi ganon karami ang selection ng food nila dito, pero okay lang dahil masarap ang pasta nila. As long as you partner it with a refreshing beverage, it is a great meal. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang Fit Check videos. You can check them on our TikTok and Instagram. After kumain, syempre, konting bonding moments din and photoshoot kasama sila Hani, Serafina, and Koichi. Sayang naman ang good lighting at aesthetic look ng Cafe Ru if hindi magagamit, di ba? Marami ding magagandang spots dito kaya siguradong masusulit ang pagpunta dito. Isa pang kakaiba dito sa Cafe Ru ay ang kanilang elevator. May option naman to take the stairs pero syempre hindi natin palalampasin ang glass elevator experience. Recently, nagkita-kita ulit kami, this time pang photoshoot naman for Serafina's upcoming birthday. At bago ang busy day, charge up muna kami and kumain ng breakfast sa Starbucks sa S. Mason located sa Conrad. At saan pa ba magandang mag-photoshoot na perfect for kids? Eddie sa Dessert Museum. Also located sa S. Mason sa Conrad, for 799 pesos, may experience mo na ang very memorable dessert experience. Maganda rin dito dahil libre ka on your birthday month. Just make sure to bring a paying companion to avail the promo. Sulit na din dahil may free treats at the end of each room, so don't forget to try them out. The Dessert Museum has 7 delectable rooms at bawat isa ay may unique dessert theme. Pwede din mag-unlimited pictures using your phone camera. Just take note that professional cameras are not allowed since meron silang official photographer. Kaya enjoy and be in the moment with your family and friends. Make sure to also play with the interactive decorations. Each room has unique activities, so don't forget to check them out. At dahil makulay at maraming toys, enjoy na enjoy din si Serafina. You can stay in each room for a maximum of 15 minutes, kaya sulitin ang oras. Favorite room namin ni Yoda ang You Jump, I Jump. It is a large inflatable play area where you can jump hanggang magsawa. Take caution pa din syempre at baka malaglag. Definitely, it was really one of the best para kaming bumalik sa pagkabata. There are a lot of IG-worthy spots in each room, so take advantage. Pwede ring mag-photoshoot ang adults, kaya talagang mag-e-enjoy, bata man o matanda. Hindi ka rin mauubusan ng props na magagamit since some decorations are detachable or can be held. Basta, iingatan lang. Sa ibang decorations naman, pwede kang umakyat or sumakay. Talagang this place will bring out the child in you, and for a moment, we felt that the child in us really had fun. Nasulit namin siya for Serafina, pero kami din as adults ay madaming unforgettable moments. How about you? Have you visited the Dessert Museum? Share them in the comment section. After ng mahabang araw, syempre, hindi mawawala ang mandatory errand namin, grocery shopping. Since nasa MOA na kami, dumiretso na kami sa SM Hypermarket para mag-grocery. Nakakatuwa din dahil hindi pa masyadong maraming tao at nakauwi din kami ng maaga. Adulting is hard at times, but the people around us is what makes it a little more exciting. Don't forget to have fun once in a while. How about you? What exciting activities do you usually do to make your inner child happy? Share them in the comment section. How about you? Where is your next destination? Share them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, follow us on Instagram and TikTok.